explanations of learning offered. Now let us try to understand Anderson's model by applying it to real life situations or examples. So the first stage we said was the cognitive stage. So this is the stage when you as a teacher tell the child, or the child learns that by adding S, the noun can be turned into a plural. Or the child is taught that whenever a verb comes after a third person, like he or she, they have to use a plural form of a verb. Like, for instance, whenever we talk about he, it will be gives or never give, or she gives, not give. So this is the rule that you have presented to the child and the child has learned. So this is the stage that Anderson says is the cognitive stage. The second stage in Anderson's model, if you would remember, was the associative stage. Now this is the stage when the child who has learned the rules now tries to apply it to real life situations, and when he or she is using second language, they use the plural form of verb with a third person, or they try to apply this rule of changing singular to plural by using S or ES. When they actually start doing it, although making mistakes because they are consciously applying the rule, then it is the associative stage. The third stage, if you would remember, is the autonomous stage. Now this is the stage when the child has learned the rule by associating it so many times that it has become automated. So by being automated, it is almost applied without conscious effort. So now when the child uses second language or that aspect of second language, they do not think that they are applying the rule, but they apply the rule successfully. So this learner's action would become what we say increasingly automatic. This again does not happen at once, but happens in a flow. So the movement from cognitive stage to the autonomous stage can then be seen on a continuum, moving from one side to the other side towards a more automatized point where one almost forgets the declarative knowledge or forgets the rule, but still is applying it subconsciously. Then this model has been applied to the explicit teaching of grammatical structures and has been found quite useful, although it also has some shortcomings.